Yes. So now we are going to do CloudWatch. I have already one instance. Yes. Yeah, so this is one instance. We have to create one instance. Let's start the instance. Just one sample instance I have created. So nothing, I did not mention anything, just a sample default instance. Let's make it ready with the default instance. Okay. So next, yep. After creating the instance, let's go CloudWatch. Let me take a duplicate. CloudWatch. Okay. This is AWS service. This AWS service and this CloudWatch is integrated with EC2 instance that you can see here. The default monitoring you can see, metrics, default metric you can see, right? So in this CloudWatch, you see this alarm. Let's create alarm first. Okay, let me create alarm first. Select metric. Okay, so I'm going to target EC2 instance per instance metrics. Okay, my ID of instance is this. So let me copy and paste here. So I'm going to target with the CPU utilization initially. Okay, CPU utilization, you see this? Yes, yes, select metric. Okay, CPU utilization, install instance ID, and static is average. Period, I don't want in detailed monitoring, I just want a default monitoring, not a big deal with me. If you want to keep in minute to minute, so then it will get, but you have to enable detail monitoring. Okay, okay, that's fine. So let me keep this whenever CPU utilization is equal, greater than or equal to 30%, I'll keep. Okay, next. So also, in CloudWatch, while you're creating alarms, first you need to be integrated with this, with SNS, simple notification service. As I did not created any kind of SNS topic, so I can able to create from here itself, or if you want to create separate from SNS itself, you can able to create there itself. So I'm going to, I can have a chance to create here, so I can able directly able to create from here itself. I have given the topic name. I'm also giving my email ID to create a topic. All right, it got created. Let me go there. Yes, Gmail, go to Gmail. Yes, this is Gmail. Yes, this is a Gmail. Yeah, you see this, the notification. Yeah, confirm subscription. Once after confirming the subscription, you just simply go there. Okay, so let me next, take next. Okay, alarm name. Why, what is the purpose of your creating alarm? I'm creating alarm for CPU utilization. Okay, Okay, CPU utilization. I'm just keeping here the name is like that. See this, the target. If it reaches 30%, I need to get the alarm. So if you keep 30, you will get quick alarm. To show you for showcase, I just kept here only for 30%. In companies, projects, they will keep 80% minimum. Okay, 80%. If it reaches 80%, you will get notification. All right, so these are all review, everything is fine. Let me create alarm. After creating alarm, so let me cross check with SNS whether is it subscribed properly or not. Let me go here, SNS, simple notification service. Okay, see this topic has been created while we are creating alarm. Okay, this is the one. Okay, can you open this? Still pending. In this case, you can click here and do confirmation from here itself. Okay, okay. So then for that, I'll go here. Okay, this says Aaron. I think this I have to paste confirm subscription. Maybe this is not. Okay, I'll do one thing. I can do resubscribe here. Confirm subscription not yet confirmed. Let me take here. No, no, this is not. This is not. This is not. Okay, confirm subscription still not yet confirmed. So this case, what we have to do is, so in this case, we'll go here. Mm, subscription confirmation URL. Okay, so for that case, let me do click or visit link below. Let me check this. I'll keep here. Okay, still this is not yet. All right, again, I got in a message, but I don't know why it's not. That's okay, fine. Let me cross check. Request for confirmation again. Confirming request was successfully done. Yeah, subscription. Yeah, this is still pending confirmation. So I'll go and email check. I'll cross check here. Let me check. Yeah, you got it right. Not this one, and this is the one. Okay, but okay, we need to do resubscription. So let HTTP protocol. Every time you will face different error. Okay, it's not all the same. Confirm subscription, that's fine. Alarms, that's fine. So in this case, I'll do one thing. Sometimes same email if you use, that will not give you. So let me do one thing. Topics. This. I'm not able to see that email. The see email. The email is actually generating, but not getting nothing here. What is okay? It's confirm subscription. Yes, this is confirmed now. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. Let me do close this. All these useless things. So let me check here. Cross check again. Yeah, it is confirmed. That's good. That's good. All right. So now, yeah, after finishing this, I have created Alam. I have created CloudWatch SNS that's successfully done. So now what I will do is I'll connect with my mission, right? And so let me open my mission downloads. Downloads. You see this downloads. Okay. Let me log into console. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, this is my mission. So now, just now I'll repeat the step simple. So we have done first instance we have created. Next we have created alarms. See here, this is the alarm. Okay. You see the alarm here. All alarms, go to alarms, right? CPU utilization, we have created this. Okay. This not yet reached up to 30%. Just it is reaching here. That's it. It is moving because there is no any load on top of your CPU. Okay, I will increase the load later. Okay, so once if it is reached 30% of your CPU utilization load, so you will get email. That should be done, otherwise your setup is completely wrong. Okay, that's fine. Next after that, CloudWatch. So I went SNS. While I'm creating this alarm, I have created topic and subscription for SNS, getting notifications and all right. So this is we have done. And now what I have to do, I have a document called shell script. So I will follow this document. Okay, so let me go desktop. RAM utilization, I have some steps. I just made it ready. Okay, so my intention is today is to create RAM utilization, not CPU utilization, right? Unnecessary things I'm just removing. Okay, so my intention is to create a RAM utilization for CloudWatch. In CloudWatch, RAM is not default one. Okay, you should not find that RAM utilization default. Okay, so for that reason, I have created a script here, shell script. Okay, so in generally, if you see CPU utilization with the instance itself, EC2 instance, here you see the monitoring. Okay, along with the instance. Okay, if whenever you check mark it, so you see monitoring. This is integrated with the EC2 instance, and you see the default, you know, metrics, right? But you see only CPU utilization, but you will not see RAM because RAM is not default. So we have to create it. Okay, how we are creating, we'll see that. Okay, and also I will take one more duplicate. Let me stay here, dashboard. Let me stay at dashboard. Okay, where which dashboard? CloudWatch dashboard. CloudWatch dashboard. So this is not these are all not standard steps, just I'm keeping it ready. That's what, there is no any standard methods. Okay, so I'm just keeping it ready with myself. Okay, CloudWatch. Okay, CloudWatch. So this is the dashboard. So let's, okay, all right. So this is good. Alarms also, I didn't get any alarm because it is in green color. If you see red color, you, that means you got alarm. Okay, it is generated. Alarm got generated. Anyways, that's fine. Now, so let me go to my machine. I will update all these things. Let me go to ls. Nothing is there. Yeah, something is there. Okay, so I'll do one thing. vi uh, RAM utilization for CloudWatch. So this is my shell scripting file name. Okay, so I'm going to keep this script. Okay, you see this till here or till, yeah, till here. Okay, copy and paste here. You see this shebang line, and this is set hyphen e. Okay, which means it exit immediately if a command exit with a non-zero status, right? So you are also updating your system with yum. Okay, install required perl modules. Perl using perl package, we are setting up all these things, right? All right, so now let me save this. All right, so after that, this is the next step. I need to download and extract CloudWatch monitoring script. Okay, I would like to run this script. Okay, enter. See this, ls, something is there, right? Right, this one. So unnecessary things I'm going to remove. rm hyphen rf. So let me remove this aws hyphen script something, and ram util dot sh, ram util dot sh something. Okay, ls, yeah, just now I created this one. Okay, so I'll also give the permission chmod. I'll give full permission, not a big deal for me. In lab session it doesn't matter. Okay, let's you see the color now. Yeah, it got permission, right? So now I need to extract this. Okay, if you want to extract, just unzip it. Just unzip iPhone o CloudWatch monitor, so and so this is the name. Okay, that's it, enter. You unzipped, right? ls. So you unzipped in the sense you got the script. So I need to remove rm hyphen rf, shift to CloudWatch, this whatever it is there. So this zipping file I'm going to delete it, ls. So everything clear now. All right, so let me do one thing now. So I need to make a script executable now. Okay, I just need to give the permissions to this. Okay, I need to give permission to this. All right, see this. Oh, excuse me. So you see chmod executable permissions to your scripting file. Okay, and also with the pl poll, enter, ls. You got permissions, right? Anyways, that's fine. Next, I want to run this command. Let's see if you find any kind of errors. We'll see that later. First of all, let's run this command. Okay, what you are running? You are running the shell script of this file. You are running it. Whatever the file is there, this file you are running with the memory utilization, and you are verifying with verbose in the sense you understood, right? Verbose in the sense where whatever you are doing, that activities will show on top of your screen. That's it. Yeah, like this. So the thing is, it is showing that verbose print on closed file m data. This is not there. Means I need to install. Okay, it's the same command. So if I want to, what is this? The error is um, can't. What is this? Closed file handle AWS scripts CloudWatch client. Okay, so let's do one thing. No actual metrics sent to CloudWatch. Let me take this. Okay, go to ChatGPT, enter. So paste here. Your command output indicates that AWS CloudWatch monitoring script ran successfully in the verification mode, meaning no actual metrics were sent to CloudWatch, but everything is functioning correctly. Here is a breakdown. Okay. Okay. Right. All right. So then let's run this again. Yes. It is running properly. Successfully reported metrics to CloudWatch. Okay. So now what we will do is this dashboard I have opened, right? Let me create again another dashboard. Um, RAM memory, I'll keep like this: RAM memory utilization. Okay, create dashboard. Okay, so I want to see that in percentage, how much percentage it is used. Okay, so you see this, just custom namespaces, just click on system Linux, this one, and you just select all, create. Okay, let's see, because I did not keep any kind of, I did not keep any detailed monitoring. That's why it is taking time to update. Okay, it will take a time. It will take update to update it. It will take minimum 5 minutes, because default monitoring is for AWS for free tier 5 minutes is minimum. Okay, in detail, if you want detail monitoring, you need to enable it. Okay, but in my case I did not enable it, because you see this manage detailed monitoring. Okay, I did not enable this, that is the reason it will take time. If I enable it, so it will update in some time. Okay, so now it is updated. Okay, all right, so let me refresh. Yeah, you see this RAM memory utilization, this dashboard just to be created, and it is updated 167 MB 782. So this is memory used, 167 MB used. Okay, 782 MB memory available still. Okay, memory utilization 17.6 percentage. Okay, I would like to add some different dashboards. Okay, let me take here. Okay, see this memory utilization for CPU, this much. It is updating. See, network related. Okay, let me make it small to show you better way. See this T2 micro CPU utilization this much, and network related, network income, network outgoing. So there are a lot, all metrics it is showing, right? Okay. So let me go to alarm once. I'll check how much percentage it reached. Anyways, I want to keep some load on top of my system. I will ask ChatGPT, please give the command to generate load on top of my Linux system shell script. Okay, let me take this, and this is I'm going to keep vi load hyphen stress dot sh. Open, insert, paste. Now you save it. I'm going to run this load dot sh. What is this? Okay, that's fine. It is telling that h top. Okay, top command. I will check there in dashboard. Now I will refresh. Okay. We'll see. Maybe it is increasing bit by bit. Okay. Once if it is reach some percentage, also I will ask ChatGPT please give infinite loop command. So this is the one. Yes, I know. Yeah. While true, do and done, which means it will create infinite load on top of your system. All right, let me go here. You see, keep on refreshing it. See this load is increasing here. Can you see here? Let me refresh again. So also I'll keep dashboards. Let me refresh again here. This is memory related and this is CPU related. I'll also create some dashboards for CPU utilization here. Okay. Yeah, stake. I will take stake. What is my instance ID? This is my instance ID. I will paste here. Yeah, this is EC2. I'm targeting EC2 related. So what is my intention? I want to keep CPU utilization only. Okay. Yeah, let's select it. Okay, that's enough. Select visit. Yeah, this much. Yeah, that's fine. So you need to you need to wait for increasing the load. Okay. Also, you need to cross check sometime. Yeah, you see this, guys. Alarm got created. All alarms. CPU utilization. The alarm reached up to 98% suddenly spike. You see the sudden spike, and you need to go to your email. You need to cross check with your email. You see this, right? See this. You got alarm. You are receiving this email because CloudWatch alarm CPU utilization in the Asia Pacific Mumbai region has entered alarm state. So go and troubleshoot because threshold crossed one the out of the last data point. So it is it is giving complete details. Okay, alarm raised. Namespace EC2 CPU utilization period 30 60 seconds something like this. So now you see this, right? Can you see? So spike suddenly increased. So now it is reached up to 98%. Okay. So we'll see dashboard. You see this sudden spike. Now it is reached up to 98%. You see here 98%, right? That's how it works. Let me check here. I'm going to add here gauge. It will also show bar also, or explorer also, pi. You can keep anything. Okay, line also. Okay, so if you want to add, you can add like this. EC2 parametric instances. Okay, and you keep CPU utilization. CPU utilization here. Okay, see 100% utilization, reached 100%. So fully CPU utilization has been using. So which means on top of your system there is huge load. So in real time case, what you will do? In this case, you will extend your what? CPU core. Okay. So RAM, this is related to RAM. This is related to CPU. These two dashboards. Okay. And if you want to add different statistics, okay, if you want, you can add different type of widgets. Gauge also you can keep. See this, right? Per instance metric. Paste your instance ID here to find better way. There are a lot more easy to, instances will be there for you, right? So in this case you might not find your right EC2 instance, so you need to paste here. Okay, anyways, that's fine. So let's go to options. Max 0, minimum 0, maximum 100 or 1000. Gauge range, I'll keep 1 1 to 100. Okay, see this, create widget. See your CPU utilization now in this case. See your CPU utilization reached up to 95.6%, right? So this is how you can create CPU utilization and memory utilization. This is for RAM related. Okay. Okay. So CPU percentage increased too much just because we running, it is continuously running a loop. So let me drop the load by cancelling it. Okay, just now I have dropped it. Let's see, by refreshing it you can see that load. Okay, and also in alarm also you will get green here. So far it is red color. This alarm will go down automatically when load is decreased. So you got a warning here. You see this? This action sends message to SNS topic with endpoint that is pending confirmation. It will not works as expected until the endpoint is confirmed. Okay. So that is actually already confirmed, but it is showing. But the thing is here, CPU utilization greater than or equal to 30%. If it is reached 30%, you will get alarm. Okay. If it is drop below 30%, it will become green color now. Let's see. Okay, let's refresh. Still showing alarm because your load will not drop all of a sudden. Your load will not drop at a time. Your load will drop gradually. Your load will increase gradually, right? So we'll see that again. Okay, see here. Let me refresh because I'm using default metrics. That's the reason it will update. It will take 5 minutes. Default metrics, it will take 5 minutes. I'm not using in detail, right? I think I have used it. Let me cross check again. Using detail monitoring. That's okay. Thanks. All right. So let me close this and I will cross check here. Yeah, let me check the load now. So now it will update soon. Just what moments speak. Yeah, you see, this load will get down very fast. So let me log in again this mission. Okay, no load now. Okay. Patience is important, guys. As a DevOps engineer, so you have to deal with the troubleshooting too much. So you must have a lot patience. Increase your patience. Pay some attention. Yeah, you see, whenever alarm is there, it is showing that much area. That area is red color. So if no alarm, when you have created, there is no load on top of your system. So then it's showing green color. When its spike increases, alarm got generated. After generating alarm, so it is showing red color. Okay, let me refresh this page. Okay. 98.2. And if you want instantly, um, if I want to drop the load, so in that case, see, I can stop and start the instance. Stop instance, and I can start the instance. Okay. Yes, it is successfully stopping. And let us wait for some time and we will start the instance again. So if you want all of a sudden, if you want to drop the load in the sense, there is no other alternate, right? So let me start the instance. it is not yet completed, that's why. Even though you can see the alarm here, see, so whatever you created the alarm, that alarm you can able to see on top of your instance also, because it is integrated with the EC2. So so you can able to see that alarm got generated. So this alarm you can see here, see. Right, stop, let me start it again. Yes, it is getting started. We'll see that. Refresh, refresh, let me refresh. And actually one more point actually I would like to mention, actually to set up this, there is background, there should you should set up IAM permissions, IAM role policy. Okay, so CloudWatch policy, I mean CloudWatch related permissions you have to give to the IAM through using IAM. So that also you need to do. Yeah, it is almost initiating. All right, let me take it again. Yeah, initializing, not taking, because it is still not ready. Yeah, it is ready. 2 by 2 checks passed. Let me take this and paste here. Yes. All right, got connected. And see, I would like to show you here instance. This is instance. Still alarm is there. Okay. Maybe background something is running. I think so. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, okay. State is okay, right? So yeah. So then open alarm once again. So you see this, guys? Now you see this alarm. Alarm is in green color right now. Okay. Currently no that much load on top of your mission. Okay. See, alarm got gone. So it's gone. So if you refresh this page or this page, that red color danger mark will go away. Yes, right? Now it is in green color, right? So yes, CPU utilization and dashboard, I'll go there. In dashboard also, you'll see that. Refresh this dashboard. Let me save first. Okay, saved, right? After that, let me refresh. Okay. So this CPU utilization, I would like to take. I would like to remove this one first. Okay, this also. I don't want this also, it was stuck. Old data is showing. And now I will take percentage, right? I want to take the percentage or gauge, anything. Okay, let me take gauge. So yep, I will take CPU utilization now. I want same instance ID again. So we'll do one thing on top of this. I'll shave and enter it. Take utilization, CPU utilization. You see this? Okay, create. Okay, create widget. Okay, so here it is asking that in options you need to mention from 1 to 100. Okay, I'll keep like this, or 1000. See how much percentage? So this is not 100%, right? This much only utilizing, remaining all free. Till 1k, 98% it is showing wrong. So we'll take another one. So let me take this. Okay, EC2 persistent matrix, paste it, your instance ID. Utilization, I will take CPU utilization. See here, CPU utilization, create widget. Yeah, this is CPU utilization. Okay. It is not yet update. See, in our case, in the alarm has gone means, currently your CPU has not having any kind of load, which means if it is cross 30% itself, you will get alarm. Okay, this is showing old data. Okay, don't think about this. This is a new data. You see, okay, this is the new data. There is no any current right now. There is no load on top of this. That's why it is showing green here. Clear? Okay. So whenever alarm got generated, that is showing red color. So currently you don't have any load on top of your system. That is why it is showing green color. Clear? See this? Now currently there is no any load. See, the targeted is 30% only. Okay. The spike, you see the spike is very less here. And dashboards also, see this, your load is 0.46%. It is updating little late. Try to understand. Okay, so now you see this, earlier it was big spike. So spike is up to almost 99%. After that it got down suddenly. Now you don't have any spike. Okay, this is currently you are using 0.46% CPU utilization, that much only. Clear, right? That's it. Okay, whenever I open this full of this dashboard only, it is showing 100% perfectly, 0.46%. And here when I decrease this, when I minimize, it is showing something wrong. That's okay. All right, so this is all about CloudWatch. This is how we can create CPU utilization and memory utilization. Memory means this is for RAM utilization. Okay, this is for RAM. This is for RAM utilization. Nobody will show this RAM utilization. RAM utilization is not default with metrics in CloudWatch. So there is a setup for like this. There are some commands in to set up RAM utilization. Using that, you have to follow the steps like this. Okay, so then only you will get this utilization, otherwise no. If you want, I can show you. For example, I want to take RAM utilization. See this EC2 instance. Okay, per matrix, you see this, So what is your instance ID is this much. So this you see this, okay? Paste here your instance ID. So just show me if you want. You can comment here. If you see anything wrong, you can comment here. Enter. So I'm going to scroll up bit by bit. Let me know if you find any utilization, RAM related things. See here metadata, CPU, network, disk. Okay, disk. Disk is not, again I'm telling guys, disk is not RAM. Okay, CPU utilization. Okay, status check, EBS related. That's it. That's it. It is end. There is no any RAM thing related. No RAM utilization. There is no any default RAM utilization in CloudWatch. So but you have to set up using some commands. You have to write some commands. You can able to do by like this, but default it is not there, but you have to set up. You see this guys, it is dropped, clearly showing this now. I hope you understood guys. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Just comment here. I will always help you. I will always open to help you guys. Watch my videos, subscribe and share. And if you have any personal, if you want to connect with me personally, just contact me. I hope you can see my number also. Just ping me on WhatsApp. If there is any doubts, we'll discuss. Okay. I'm always ready to share the knowledge in DevOps related all the tools. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Please support me.